Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can become a socialite. So today's going to be a full review and wear test of L'Oreal's True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. Now this is a drugstore skin tint with a lot of skincare properties in it. It's been going viral all over social media, so I thought why not do it a full wear test of the product. The claims of this foundation is to deliver instant radiance with a nude skin effect. The skin tint's main ingredient is hyaluronic acid, which is supposed to instantly hydrate and brighten the skin. I did pick this skin tint up from Walmart, and it retails for between $12 and $14.99 on walmart.com. You can also pick it up from Ulta for about $19.99, so I will link both for you down in the description box. Every single thing that I used on my face today will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So if you want to see how I got this look with L'Oreal's skin tint and how the formula stood up over time, then keep on watching. Okay, socialites, here's the bottle. It doesn't come in a box or anything, which most drugstore foundations don't. Well, this is a skin tint rather, but it's just a simple glass bottle. It does come in a dropper form. Usually skin tints come in a squeeze tube, but this one comes in a dropper. Now the closest match to my skin tone is 7-8 tan deep. So this is one of those formulas where one shade covers a range of skin tones. It does come in 14 different shades, and the way that they have the range set up, I do feel like you'll be able to find the right color for you. The website does recommend that you apply with your fingertips. Just put a few drops on your face and apply with fingertips, but I won't do that today. You want to shake well, and I'll put about this much on both sides. And I'm going to use a dense foundation brush. So this is really sheer, you guys. This is a true skin tint. So based on the coverage of this is one of those products that's definitely geared towards skincare. I feel like it has a lot more to do with skincare than it does with like being actual makeup, even though it evens out your skin tone. Like that's almost completely sheer. So I am going to try to use my fingers to build a little bit more coverage. Let's put a little bit more here. So I do feel like it applies a little bit better with your fingers. So I think the color match is pretty good. As you can see, pigmentation still clearly shows through. A lot of the skin shows through. So this is a sheer skin tint. Looks really healthy and skin-like. For highlighting, I'm going to go in with another L'Oreal product. Now this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Concealer. This one's in the color Caramel. And blend with my Real Techniques blending sponge. Now you do want to be careful with this concealer because it is a long wearing concealer that dries pretty fast. So this is not one of those concealers that you want to let sit on your face for a minute or two. You want to instantly start blending this one. I'm going to bronze my skin with my e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. I'm going to take a little bit of my Say Loose Translucent Powder and set my highlighted areas. Using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo Powder, I'm going to use this one to bronze. My Ariell Brow Glue. While the brow glue is drying, I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Glow Press Powder, and I'm going to lightly set the rest of my face with this. For eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Milani Ungilded Mattes palette. Just gonna mix a couple of the browns. My Maybelline gel pencil. L'Oreal Infallible blush. So this is the final look. The website doesn't state how long lasting the skin tint is, so we'll be the judge of that. It's now 10 a.m. so I'm gonna wear the skin tint for a few hours and then come back and let you guys see how it stood up. Okay, socialites, so I'm back. It's a little bit after 1, so it's been 3 hours. I think this formula is very natural looking and super radiant. I love that. And to me, it is high quality, especially coming from a drugstore. I've had no oxidation so far. I feel like within 3 hours, if it was going to oxidize, it would have done that already. As far as like fine lines and pores, I really don't have any fine lines or pores, but I don't think that 3 hours is long enough to really tell that. But so far, there's no settling in fine lines and my pores aren't emphasized. I think that this skin tint will probably work for any skin type, being that I don't have any type of shine so far. I do have radiance on the skin, which is probably from the Physician Formula's Butter Glow that I set all over, but I feel like this is a product that can work for oily skin, dry skin, and anywhere in between. You may even be able to get away with this without setting powder, but you'll probably have to ask somebody who has dry skin. If you've tried this skin tint before, comment down below and let me know what are your thoughts, and also comment down below and let me know if this is something you're interested in trying. Every single thing that I used today will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars.